Good afternoon, grade 2s.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you this afternoon?
We are blessed of the Lord and highly favored.
Thank you. I am blessed and highly favored. Our lesson is English comprehension. English comprehension. Let's write the heading down. English comprehension. We are going to read a story and we are going to answer the story. Oh, thank you, Stelo. English comprehension. That is our topic for today, English, and our topic is comprehension. So today we are going to read a story and we are going to answer the comprehension questions. So today we are going to learn how to listen and comprehend, to listen and talk. That is our skill for today. We are listening and we are writing and we are talking. So we are going to look at those skills. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you. English comprehension. English comprehension. All right. Luyando and Ryan, when you are, oh, Ryan is done. So we are waiting for you, Luyando. Luyando, where are you copying? You seem to be copying somewhere else. You are looking up there. Where are you looking?
No, I'm not looking.
I can see you, Luyando. I can see you. You are looking somewhere else, not on my paper. Look at my paper. English comprehension. Yes, English comprehension. Let's write, Luyando. With our little time, we are hoping that we are going to read and we are going to answer the questions. We comprehend the story. Thank you, Luyando. All right, I will start reading. Today, our topic, comprehension, is Tom at the shop. Tom at the shop. That is our comprehension. I want everyone to be listening attentively. Listen attentively. Here is my story. Tom went to the shop. I want a nice soft doll, he said to the shopkeeper. It is for my sister Dot's birthday. The best doll was on top of a big box. Tom put a card on the box. The card said, to Dot with love from Tom. I'll read it again. Listen carefully. Tom went to the shop. I want a nice soft doll, he said to the shopkeeper. It is for my sister Dot's birthday. The best doll was on top of a big box. Tom put a card on the box. The card said, to Dot with love from Tom. That is the end of our story. All right. So who can tell me, what did you hear from our short, lovely comprehension? Yes, Stelo?
I heard Tom went to shop. Tom wanted a nice doll.
Yes. Can you see that Tom is a boy who loves dolls? Is there any boy here who loves dolls? Makosi? Do you also, are you also like Tom?
Dolls.
No, Makosi saying no. Look, Stella is laughing. Stella is laughing at Tom. Tom is a boy who loves a doll. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Makosi, would you like a doll? Do you want us to buy you a doll, Makosi?
Nope.
Makosi saying no. Luyando, do you want a doll? We can give you.
No.
Oh, these boys don't have doll. Want a doll? Ryan, do you want a doll?
No.
Ah, these boys don't want a doll. But today we are talking about Tom. A
I want a doll.
loves dolls. All right. Yes. Tom is a boy who went to the shop to buy a doll. But who did this doll? He bought this doll for who? Was it for him? He bought it for
For his sister.
yeah,
For his sister.
sister. Good. So which means Tom did not want a doll. He just wanted to buy a lovely doll for his sister. So it's like Makosi. Makosi goes to the shop to look for a nice soft doll for his little sister. That is nice. It's good for you to buy a nice doll. Yes. You can tell me what else did we hear from the story? We are still talking about the story. We are doing comprehension. So comprehension wants us to comprehend. We need to hear that. Did you manage to get something from the story? Yes, Ryan, your hand is up. Ryan, what did you hear from the story?
Today is God's doll's birthday.
Yes, today is Dot's birthday. Who is Dot? Oh, yes, before I start asking questions, let me take the hands. Yes, Kiara. Kiara, you also wanted to say something? Yes, Kiara. Kiara, if you are going to start this, I will remove you. Say what you wanted to say. What did you hear from the story?
To Tommy's sister.
Yes, Dot is Tom's sister. Good, Luyando. Stelo, what else did you hear from the story before we start answering the questions?
I heard it's God's birthday.
Yes, it is Dot's birthday. That's why there is this doll that is being looked for at the shop. Yes, Kiara?
She's going to buy a nice doll.
Yes, Tom is going to buy a nice doll. Yes. So after Tom, there's something more after that. We now know that the doll was for Dot's birthday. What else? What else did Tom put on the box? Tom put something on top of the box.
Yes.
Tom put
Letter.
yes, Makosi, was it a letter? What was it exactly? It's not a letter, but it's a what? Yes, tell
Card.
yes.
A card.
Yes.
Card.
Yes, a card. Tom put a card on the box. Yes. What was the message on the card? What was the message on the card?
It was about love. It was love.
Yes.
Love.
Good, Stelo. It said to Dot with love from Tom. So maybe let's say if your young brother or maybe your older brother or your older sister or your young brother has a birthday, you can also go and buy them something nice and you look for a card, all right? Or if you don't want to buy the card, you can cut your own card with the help of someone else. You make your own card. Stelo, please stop drawing yourself there. You hurt yourself. You make yourself a nice card and you put it on top, all right? Because the card maybe will have the message for that person and the person has to know where does this present, who's this present coming from? Then you can say with love from Stelo, with love from Makosi, with love from Ryan, with love from Luyando, with love from Kiara. All right, yes. So you can put a card on top of the present to show that I am the one who has given you a present. So I hope that when my birthday comes, I'll have cards coming from you. Are you going to write something nice to say with love from Kiara, with love from Luyando and Stelo, Makosi and Ryan? All right. Okay. Now we want to start answering the questions. Now we are doing the comprehension. Number one, Tom went to the dash. Who can fill that in? Who can put their hand up and tell us, yes, Kiara. Tom went to the Tom went to the shop. Yes, Tom went to the shop. Good. Number 2, what did Tom want? What did Tom want?
A nice doll.
Yes, Makosi. What did Tom want?
A nice doll.
A nice doll. Yes. He was looking for a nice, soft doll. Not just any doll, but a nice, soft doll. All right.
Doll.
Yes. Remember, this is Tom's baby sister. So you need a softer doll that will not that will be lighter, and even maybe it won't harm her. You know, our little brothers and sisters, they chew on some of these things, so you have to make sure that thing is soft so that it doesn't hurt them. All right. Number 3, the doll had to be dash. The doll had to be
Fresh.
it had to be
Fresh doll.
not
Fresh.
no. Can a doll be fresh? A doll is fresh.
Nice.
No, that's not.
Nice.
What did I say?
Present.
No,
Big.
no.
Yes,
Someone said the answer. Yes, Clelo.
stop.
Yes, the doll had to be soft. It had to be soft. I don't know if there is a fresh doll. I've never seen a fresh doll. Are you going to eat that doll? A fresh doll, Makosi. Makosi. Are you going to eat that, that doll?
Yep.
The doll is fresh. The only thing that I know should be fresh.
There is a doll like a stick doll.
Sorry?
There is a doll like a person doll which has hair.
Yeah, so it
It is fresh.
No, yeah, don't cannot be fresh. How can it be fresh? Fresh is for something that you can see like an apple.
There is one doll.
There is one doll that is fresh. I've never seen it.
Yes, it's a stick doll.
Like dolls.
A stick doll.
It's called there?
A stick doll.
A stick doll.
A stick doll.
All right, I will look for it. I will
Which
look
has
for
food.
fresh doll. I will look for it, Stella. If I don't find it, so you are going to.
Yeah, the door is big and is here of me.
Kiara, you're also now lying. I know.
I'm telling the truth.
You are telling the truth. If I don't find that doll, you are going to buy those dolls for me. All right, let's go.
Yes,
And then the shopkeeper put the doll in a dish. The shopkeeper put the doll in a
Yes.
in
Good morning, teacher.
in a box. Yes, this is the doll. Can you see? There is our nice soft doll. Can you see her? She will be put in a box. Yes, there is the doll. I know Nando and Makosi, they don't like dolls. I know. They said no. They said no.
This is the doll I'm talking about.
That is the doll you are talking about.
Yes.
All right. Yes, and the doll had to be put in a box. Dash put a card, dash the box. Dash put a card. Who put a card? Yes, Makosi?
Tom.
Tom put a card. Dash
Tom.
Tom. Dash the box. Where did you put the card?
On the box.
On
top of the box.
On the box, yes. So Tom put the card on the box. All right, yes. So remember, I want someone who can tell us what did we learn about today, because we have come to the end of our
Tom.
Yes, we learned
Tom.
We learned about Tom and the doll.
Tom and the doll. Yes, what else can you remember from the story?
We learned about shop.
We learned about
The shop.
the shop. Yes.
We learned about.
Yes, Alwande.
We learned about the doll.
Doll. Yes, Alwande.
The doll. Tom put the doll in a box.
Yes, the doll was by the shopkeeper in a box. What else did Tom put on the box? Yes, Alan?
A card.
Yes.
card.
There was a card. A card was put on top of the box. And who Tom had bought the doll for? Tom had bought the doll for
Dot is the sister dot.
the little sister, his little sister Dot. All right, okay. So thank you very much, Kiara, Stelo, Luyando, Makoti, Ryan, and Alwande for joining me. Let's meet again tomorrow in our uniforms, full school uniforms again tomorrow at what time?
8:30. 8:30.
Okay, so wake up early tomorrow and come for our lesson, all right? So bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Makosayera.
Bye, Kiara.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye, Lutando. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, Ryan. Bye, Ted.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Kiara.